5 reasons bakit CHC and All-Stars ang dapat piliin. Number 1, proven stability. 23 years na ang Clasek Herbs Corporation or CHC sa industriya. Walang history ng delay or negative issues sa payout. Stability equals security. Number 2, instant payouts. Hindi ka maghintay ng matagal. You can choose daily or weekly. On the spot, pwede mong i-withdraw papunta sa GCash or kahit anong bank account na meron ka. Number 3, world-class products, certified, tested, and trusted from health to agri-tech solutions. Lahat ng produkto ay may attestations and credibility na hindi basta-basta makikita sa ibang kumpanya. Number 4, strong mentorship and community, which is ito, ang All-Stars. Kapatid, hindi ka nag-iisa. May system, leaders at team na naka-back up sa'yo para siguradong guided ka papunta sa success. Number 5, trusted by many. Hindi lang thousands of users ang tiwala, pati mga LGUs, national governments at big companies nationwide gumagamit ng CHC products. Kapag naghahanap ka ng right vehicle of opportunity, siguraduhin mo may stability, credibility, and strong community. Lahat ng yan nandito sa CHC and All-Stars. Now, questions. Sasakay ka ba ngayon o hahayaan mo na lang maiwan ka ulit?